Hello everyone, Mike Moliterno with the Business Journal here, bringing you another update. Just a real quick recap from Governor Mike DeWine's press conference just a little bit ago. And the theme of this one, again, was to stay at home. The first thing he said was that basically everything that Ohioans have been doing over the past couple of weeks, staying at home, the social distancing, that they are having an effect, that they are actually showing up in the numbers, and that we are starting to see that curve flatten. So all of those things have not been in vain, they have been worth it, and that they are going to save lives. However, he was also quick to say that now is not the time to let up. Now is not the time to stop doing those things. In fact, a little bit later, Dr. Amy Acton, the director of the Ohio Department of Health, came out and she said that it is time for people to don their capes. And if there are people that aren't watching, that aren't getting the message, that we need to don our capes and spread the word. Although, do that remotely. Don't do it in person. At this time, the modeling shows that we'll probably won't see the peak in new coronavirus cases until mid-May. So that's still quite a ways off. And Governor Mike DeWine said that in order to treat all of the people that we're going to see at that time, we're going to need to build out our hospitality capacity by at least 2 to 3 times. So as many hospital beds as we have now, as many ICU beds as we have now, we need 2 to 3 times more. And he said we need to plan for having 3 times more. So that is something that is going to be very difficult. And that's something that he said they're going to start doing very rapidly next week. One of the main reasons for that, Dr. Amy Acton said, is that because 20 to 25% of all the coronavirus cases in Ohio so far have required hospitalization. Around 9% have required the patient to go into the intensive care unit. So that's a lot of hospital beds, that's a lot of people, and the people that they're treating for the coronavirus are having longer stays in the hospital than most hospitalizations are used to, than most illnesses cause. So it's just another reason why they're going to need so many hospital beds when this thing peaks, again, as they're forecasting in mid-May. Dr. Amy Acton also said that no healthcare system in the world, as it previously existed, wouldn't have been able to handle the influx that this coronavirus is going to cause. So again, even though we have a terrific healthcare system all across Ohio, we have great healthcare systems, she said that it's just not enough right now, and that's why they're so rapidly working to build that out. Governor DeWine said details on that build out would be coming soon, probably as soon as next week. He asked that they broke the hospital systems in the state down by regions, and he wants a final proposal on how each region is planning to handle that build out and what their plans are by noon on Monday. So details should be coming after that. Again, both of them reiterated, do not lighten up on your efforts to stay home, to practice social distancing. Now is not the time to stop. Keep doing that. Every time you do that, you are saving lives. As of 2 p.m. today, there were 1,137 cases of coronavirus, confirmed cases of coronavirus in Ohio. 276 of those required hospitalization, and 107 of those were in the ICU unit. And I think, if I remember correctly, there were 19 deaths reported so far in the state due to the coronavirus. Yes, 19. And all of that can be found at coronavirus.ohio.gov, all right there. And they have they have all the information that you're going to need. Locally, however, if you are in need of coronavirus information, we have a new resource page on our website, businessjournaldaily.com/coronavirus-resources. On this page, you will find just about anything that you need to get yourself through the coronavirus. We have a complete listing of help hotlines, community services, unemployment claims. We have all kinds of links there. Business resources, things for the liquor buyback program, the Ohio Manufacturing Association, Medicaid and food assistance. We have all kinds of links and phone numbers there. If you're in need of childcare, we have a complete listing of the county offices, mental health and addiction, anxiety, online AA and alcohol addiction meetings, children and family services. So just about anything that you would need to help you get through this outbreak that we are all experiencing is right there. Once again, that is at businessjournaldaily.com/coronavirus-resources. That is all. I'm Mike Moliterno. Thank you, 717, for sponsoring our updates. Talk to you soon.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.